Ever wondered how your eyes move to follow a moving object or scan a room? It's a complex dance of muscles and nerves essential to our daily lives. Understanding the mechanics of eye movement is not only fascinating, it's crucial for maintaining good ocular health. So how do our eyes actually move? Let's unravel this mystery. Your eyes move thanks to 6 extraocular muscles, your eye's very own mini-motors. These hidden heroes, nestled snugly in your eye socket, work tirelessly in synchronized pairs, each responsible for a unique direction of eye movement. Some muscles lift your gaze to the skies, others pull it earthwards, while others still guide your eyes side to side. So these muscles are the key players, but how do they exactly control our eyes' movement? The secret to eye movement lies in the synchronized dance of these muscles. Picture a ballet of 6 muscles around each eye, contracting and relaxing in harmony. The lateral and medial rectus muscles control horizontal movements, while superior and inferior rectus muscles manage vertical shifts. The oblique muscles, they handle the rotations. All these pairs, working together, create the intricate dance that enables us to look up, down, left, right, and even roll our eyes. These tiny muscles work together to provide us with a wide range of eye movements. But it's not just about the muscles. The brain plays a key role too. It's like a maestro directing the symphony of eye muscles. It sends signals, telling them when to contract or relax, and by how much. So it's a complex interplay between the brain and the eye muscles that enables us to move our eyes. Now that we've learned the mechanics, let's sum it up. Eye movement is a fascinating interplay between the 6 extraocular muscles and our brain. These muscles, acting like mini-motors, perform the dance of coordinating our eyes to move in unison. The brain, our master conductor, orchestrates this dance, directing where and how fast we look. And there you have it, the intricate process of eye movement simplified. Remember, every glance, every blink, every shift of focus is a testament to this amazing system at work.